So guys, after out all day, just run home and whip up something. This is pork, jerk pork, leftover. This is chicken, which is not leftover. And broccoli. And some white rice. So yeah. That's the jerk pork right there. Leftovers from yesterday. Some broccoli. Some chicken. You know. So that's my dinner. I had to run home. I didn't eat any breakfast, so I had to run home and whip up this real quick. Remember guys, like and share, please. Subscribe also. Yeah man, one love. This is my dinner for the evening. Yeah man, respect, you know. Cool. What's going on now? What's going on? What's going on? I'm here man, heading off to Restaurant Depot, you know. Grab some few stuff. Last week I did a video man, and I don't know what I touched. Everything. Every work that I did, man, just erasing a flash like that. Ready to upload now and going back in the thing. Oh my god, it's empty. Yeah, so as I said, you know, I'm on my way to Restaurant Depot now. Definitely showing you some of the stuff that I have to grab and, you know, just take you through it, you know. And I think gotta get some oxtails, gotta get some more chicken. People asking for chicken wings, so I have to bring back chicken wings on the menu. So this week, the weather is pretty decent this week, so it's not so cold. So, you know, it's not getting hot as yet, so, but it's not so cold. So yeah, right weather. So bring back some of them stuff, you know. So I'll be showing you a bit of that, and then let's see. Alright, so as I said, heading off to Restaurant Depot now. Yeah guys, so we're there, you know. Restaurant Depot. Try to get a good one of them. Some of them want not to go good. This is a good one. Yep. Yeah guys, this is me, fully loaded man. Fully loaded. Yeah guys, so we just up at another store, you know, to get the oxtails, man. I'm gonna show you the price in a little bit. Oxtails price, crazy. So I just purchased 2 boxes, and look at that price right there. Yeah, look at that price. $202 for a small box. Yeah, and I just purchased 2 of them. Trust me when I tell you it's crazy, man. Yeah, guys, so it's not a stop, which is propane, you know. I'm going to get some propane right now. Yeah. Yeah. 3 of them. Let's get it filled up right there. Getting hold. Alright, so one more stop. I think I need to pick up something at the Walmart there. One more stop here. And then I'm gonna make a couple more moves. Oh my gosh. And then dinner. This is dinner. Let me show you the rice there. The rice. And dinner. Yeah? Yeah? No? Yeah? Yeah? Yeah, it is.